All right, so I ran around my yard and I gathered some leaves that I could find, and it's okay if the leaves aren't perfect. Now there's another video for you to see that'll detail this a little bit better, but there are no words to it. So I wanted to just go over some descriptions a little bit more clearly. You're gonna need 2 pieces of printer paper or any type of paper, and I'm gonna call this one my scrap paper. It's where I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess. And what you're gonna do is you're going to pick a leaf, any leaf that you want, and you have 2 sides to your leaf. You want to turn it upside down so you have that nice ridge of a spine. And you're going to pick any color markers you want. The juicier, the better. If you try your marker and it's coming out a little dry, this probably won't work as well. Lay it out flat and just color right on top of the back of the marker. Do it carefully so you don't accidentally put any holes in your leaf. It's okay if you do, the picture will still come out just fine. And if you notice that you can still see how it's shiny and wet and it's a little, the marker is sitting right on top, that's what you want to see. If your marker is a little dry, this won't work as well. You can pick any marker colors you want. It's okay if it goes off the leaf. That's why this is the scrap paper. Get that whole back of the leaf covered. Use as many colors as you want. All the way to the edge. And then you're going to flip it over on your good paper, take that scrap paper, put it right on top, and then give your leaf a nice good back rub. And then when you lift it up, you'll have a leaf print. And you're gonna do this over and over again with all the different leaves that you got, using any color markers that you want. You can use one color or multicolors on each leaf. I like to test my markers first. And you want to work kind of quickly on this. If the marker dries on the leaf, it's not going to show up as well. You'll see when you're coloring, all those nice ridges really show up. Put right down here. Put the scrap paper on top. Put some pressure. Give it a nice back rub. And then pull it up to release to show off your leaf print. Now that we've made our leaf prints, I want to show you something else you can do with these same leaves. You can either do this on a new piece of paper or the same piece of paper. You're going to take your leaves, put them upside down, put them underneath your piece of paper, and then take some crayons that don't have any paper on them, lay the crayon on its side, and do a rubbing. This on the same paper as your leaf prints or a different paper. It's okay to do both of these projects or just one if you want to. I know some people don't have markers at home. Other people may only have crayons. When you mix two different art supplies, it's called a mixed media. We're using markers and crayons for this. You can still see some of the marker ink on that leaf. There you go. 2 easy Earth Day projects that you can do right at home.